So hi guys, मेरा नाम है असद रिजवान कोठारी and this is my channel Business by Kothari. You are here if you really want to prepare for your business subject in A levels. ठीक है, ये जगह वो है जो तुम्हें A levels की तैयारी करने में मदद करेगी. We are going to provide you with a lot of resources, a lot of videos, a lot of lectures that is going to help you prepare for your business subject. And me as a teacher, I have been in the teaching industry since last 10 years. एंड मैंने हज़ारों बच्चों के साथ काम किया है, हज़ारों बच्चों के साथ मैंने उनकी तैयारी में हेल्प की है. Obviously then that's an experience that I have, and through this YouTube channel I'm trying to pass it on, create the ripple of it, and access and maybe multiple students like you guys. So yeah, this is my channel, and we as a team are working tirelessly to keep updating ourselves, keep working on new resources, and we're there to support you in your journey in preparing for your business subject for A levels. And I will welcome you all. Thank you very much for joining in the community, and hope to stay connected. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.